Okay.
Same, let's
Oh, really?
One.
Okay.
Let's flare.
Let's play. Rapolas Vareika. Aiziet.
Okay, off he goes now. Come on, let's make some noise now. Okay. Thing goes round and round, keeping it nice and simple, nice and composed. Starts off, full bottle tin, working flat.
Pirmajā gadā Olimpic Casino Flare Money 11. gadā Rapolas ieguva 11. vietu. Pagājušā gadā viņš ieguva 16. vietu. Šogad viņš ir 10. Tad viņš ir uzlabojis savu rezultātu un iespējams viņu uzlabos vēl par dažām vietām. Tā kā darīsim, cerēsim uz to, ka Rapolas darīs visu, lai uzvarētu šajā konkursā. Kāpēc gan ne?
Okay, just watching Jay Dutoit concentrate, focus. Jay Dutoit's focus is getting distracted. Okay, Rapolas. Oh, someone's waiting for Danny Bakiev. You may be waiting a long time. He's not here today. Problem with the visa again. Yeah. We're going in 3-10. One bottle working flat. Nice shadow with the 2 tins into the nest. Very smooth, very complete. It's moves like that, execution like that got him into the finals in the first place. Okay, one bottle, 1 tin, exhibition. My God, we got a lot of media in the house tonight. People are fighting for camera space. We got TV crews, lots of magazines in, all wanting to get shots of what's going on. Particularly Rapolas on stage at the moment doing 1 bottle tin exhibition flare. Yeah, the crowd liked that one. Oh yeah, a reverse lampshade. Oh yeah, reverse forearm bump. 2 bottle, 2 tin now. Snatching away. Let's see if he can pick up this difficulty just a little bit. He needs to raise his game for the finals. The pros, they kind of have a routine for the qualifiers. You know, they don't show everything. Wait till the finals, that's when they get the big moves out. Let's see if Rapolas can compete with those guys. Come on, let's see what you've got. Yeah!
Tātad Rapolas Vareika no Lietuvas, vēl 2 minūtes 35 sekundes. Viņa priekšnesumam ir atlicis, lai varētu pārsteigt žūriju un prasīgos skatītājus, kas ir ieradušies atbalstīt visus pārmaiņas, protams, īpaši viņu atbalsta Rapolas ir draudzene, no viņas atbraukus ar saviem draugiem, jo viņa bieži braukā kopā un, kā pats Rapolas teica, tad viņa ir simbols un bez viņas viņš nekur nebrauc.
Yeah. I think Rapolas has got the power, definitely. 3 tin, 1 bottle. Still looking smooth, doesn't look fazed by this whatsoever. Oh, yeah. Lampshade on another tin. Little bit of a spill there. Deduction judges will mark him down for that.
Tātad Rapolas gatavotais kokteils ir Dr. Sticky Havana Rums 40, The Kuiper Triple Sec 15 ml, Monin mandaļu sīrups 15 ml, svaiga laimes sula 20, svaiga grapefruit sula 30 un piparmētru lapas, kur tas viss tiek salikts kokteļu glāzē ar ledu, sašeikot un pārliec kokteļu glāzēs ar salmiņu. Tātad Rapolas obligāti salmiņš jāieliek, jo žūrija skata, ja tas kokteils pieprasa salmiņu, šim salmiņam ir jābūt, ja ne, viņš saņem soda punkts.
Just to translate what Inges is saying, Rapolas is making a Dr. Tiki Havana Club. 3 years 40L. Decaiba triple sec. Moni Noji syrup. Fresh lime juice. Fresh grapefruit juice. He's got some fresh mint leaves in there. He's going to shake and strain that bad boy over crushed ice in a rocks glass. We got 3 taste judges who are going to taste the drink as well and give it a mark out of 50.
Tātad Rapols, kā jau teicu, 11. gadā šajā pašā konkursā ieguva 11. vietu. Pagājušo gadu Olimpic Casino Player Manijas 13. gadā viņš ieguva 16. vietu. Nu jau šogad viņš ir iekļūst finālā. Tātad Rapols visas iespējas savu rezultātu uzlabot par ļoti daudzām vietām un uz ko viņš arī cer. Kā runājām pirms tam, protams, gribētu parādīt labāko sniegumu, lai uzvarētu.
Okay, just seen a really good shake there. I've got Jumbles from the lab bar sat near me as well. He'll be proud of that shake. He got the elbow right in there. Nothing like a good shake with the elbow. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Rapolas Vareika.
Good time, solid routine.